Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, aka Drea Sugar 21 here. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing Birchbox unboxing. So if you want to see what I got in my box, just keep on watching. Alright, let's see what it looks like inside. Wow. I love those colors. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm excited already. Look at how beautiful that is. Those are some really beautiful colors. It says this box is recyclable and made with recycled paper. That is super cool. Okay, so right here, it slides open. Ta-da! Of course, it has the handy dandy card stock. On the back, it has all of the products that are in the box. And of course, it has the full size values on there. Price value. And then we have the beautiful orange tissue wrap paper. And it looks like something spilled in there. That's not good. It smells good. So the first product we have here is this Aceology Glow Eye Mask in the scent Watermelon. This is $29 for the full size. Not too excited about that. Next up, we have this Balance Me AHA mask. Full size is $29. Let's open it up and smell it, see how it smells. It smells like oranges. And it's a triple action chemical exfoliation mask with skin brightening fruit acids to deeply purify, plump, and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous glow in less than 15 minutes. So that's actually pretty good. I probably am a little bit excited about this. Next up, we have this One Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer, and the full size is $38. This moisturizer locks in hydration as you sleep to ward off signs of aging like dullness and fine lines. Its fast absorbing, non-greasy formula leaves your skin dewy and glowing. Let's smell it. Got a little bit on me. It doesn't smell bad. It doesn't really smell like anything, so that's not a bad thing. Now this is what fell all over the place. I only got less than half a bottle left. Super sucks. This is the R&Co 1 Prep Spray. So I guess this is a spray that you put on before your makeup. It's gluten-free, vegan, UV protection, and spray on generously. This spray protects hair. Okay, it's not for your face. It's for your hair. Protects hair from heat, styling, brushing, and other potential damage. Plus, helps your other products adhere more evenly. Spritz onto damp or dry hair, style as desired. Okay, it's not a makeup product. It's a hair product. Thought it was a makeup product. And it smells also citrusy. Very citrusy. Next up, we have this Works Stress Check Kind Hands. Full size is $22. This deeply moisturizing hand cream with vitamin E and shea butter for dry and sensitive hands provides relief from the effects of overwashing. Massage into dry hands. It's just a hand lotion. I'm not too excited about it. Let's see what it smells like. And it doesn't smell like anything. It smells kind of like acidic, and then also, I can't explain it. I don't know. It's not a good smell. Probably more like a medicinal smell. And that is everything in this month's Birchbox And that is everything in this month's Birchbox. So I'm not very happy with it, but I did only pay $10. I paid ahead of time, and I did $10 for each box for a whole year. So I already paid ahead of time, so there's no backing out of it. And I am getting them cheaper than what other people are paying. The normal price is $12 a month, and you get 5 sample size items. So yeah, there was no makeup in this one, so it wasn't the best. I rate this one probably a 2. My favorite products from this box will probably have to be maybe the eye mask, the Dream Cream, that one sounds good, and the Stress Check Kind Hands, that one actually sounds pretty relaxing. And this one is the Glow Mask, and it's exfoliating, so I love exfoliating masks. Those are probably my top ones. The hair prep spray, I'm probably not too interested in that. But that is everything in the Birchbox today. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to click that bell right next to the subscribe button so you'll get notified the next time I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.